Good morning to all the teachers. I am Mohammad Adil from 9th A. Today I am sharing my personal thoughts about teachers. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Let us honor the teachers with a big round of applause. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our all teachers who gave impeccable contribution in shaping us. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teacher Day is celebrated the commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of the President of the country, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Students across the country celebrate this day to pay respect and thank their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They spearhead change by shaping and building students' personality and make them ideal citizens of the country. I have also mentioned a quote for all the teachers. I have found guidance, discipline, love and friendship all in one person. Thank you, dearest teachers, for all of your life lessons. Happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. We celebrated Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. This day is celebrated on the occasion of the birth anniversary Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of India. He was an ideal teacher and a great scholar. Teachers' Day is a best way for students to express love and respect for their teachers. Teachers make our future bright. He helps us to become good human beings. On this day, I want to thank you to all my teachers for all your efforts and dedication. Thank you.
Good morning to my teachers and principal sir. Teachers' Day is celebrated all across India every year on 5th of September. Pay tribute to the teacher for their precious contribution to the society. There is a great reason behind celebration of Teachers' Day on 5th of September. In fact, 5th September is the birthday of our former president Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and a statesman who was highly devoted towards education. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you give makes you the world's best teacher. Happy Teachers' Day to all.
Good morning to all. Today on the occasion of Teachers' Day, we are here to celebrate and pay a hearty tribute to our teachers who work tirelessly to ensure that the students get the best education, as we all are the future of our nation. As we all know, this day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the second president of India, who himself was a teacher, philosopher and an educationist. As we all know, the word teacher cannot be defined because teachers are not only limited to teaching or guiding us in our academics, but they also help us take the right path. They help us build our overall character and personality, which makes us a confident person. As a student, I cannot thank you all enough, because whatever I will say will not be enough to suffice how much you all mean to me and other students. Thank you to all the teachers who have been every student's guiding light and support system. Thank you to all those teachers.
साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। बस्ते तुमने भरे, मुट्ठी में ख्वाबों की जुगनू रखे, गम छुपा के अपने खुशियों का पता दिया, कर्ज ये हम कैसे चुकाएंगे भला। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया। क्लासरूम जब गुम थे खोली तुमने ही खिड़कियां, वेलकम जिंदगी को हमें करना सिखा दिया। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया। विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः, गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः, गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Good morning, all of respected teachers and my dear friends, as well as respected teachers and my dear friends, as well as us. Now we are where to celebrate Teachers Day. Dear friend, today I am going to giving a short speech and importance of Teacher Day in our life. Today is 5th September and at this day celebrated Teachers Day. Every day, every year, with a lot of joyness and happiness. It's a birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Happy Teachers Day for all teachers.
Good morning everyone. My name is Devansh Pandey. I am from class 9th A and today I am going to present few lines about Teachers Day. For being more than a teacher, a friend, a guide, an inspiration, for making me find myself. Here, I am wishing you all a happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good evening all of you. I am Rohini Srivastav and I study in class 9. Today I am going to give a short speech on Teachers Day. Every year on 5 September, Teachers Day is celebrated all over India and teachers are honored. Teachers Day is celebrated on the birthday of the President Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan ji. This is a great opportunity to make the teacher-students relationship even better. It is celebrated with great pomp in schools, colleges and institutes. On this day, students wish for the long life of their teachers and also make various plans to congratulate the teachers. Students greet their teacher with gifts, greeting cards, pen, diary, etc. on this day. Thank you.